iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Sekhukhune 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1 in the DStv Premiership on a Saturday afternoon. A goal from Shalulile for Sundowns and an equalizer for Sekhukhune by Linda Mntambo. Junior Khanye, your thoughts on the game, sir?
Yes, sir. Benedict Sophie, trucks. Justice. Afethi keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football.
Abantu don't believe about so. If we told people that so is eating meat now, would they believe it?
Yeah, abanye no, abanye.
They can't see it.
Yeah, I know qaqata. Ana qaqata guys. Ah, nyayidla. Nginesikhathi. Yeah, but Fetty keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, a very entertaining game.
Yeah.
A game of two halves.
Yeah, absolutely.
I can put it that way. Yeah, it's been a while. Sundowns dominate second half. We need to be honest. The way Sundowns are calling a corner first half, very beautiful football from Mamelodi Sundowns. It looked like offside probably. I can put that way in Mamelodi Sundowns because angikhulumi ngoSerino kanye noMshishi ngikhuluma ngomdawu. He was coming from the offside position. Asiqale sonke I love what they did the Sundowns at the pack. You can tell ukuthi uJala akekho sharp uJala makangekho ngithi usually ulink ibhola i-goal kick yakhe iqala uye or Ronan Williams. Now Ronan Williams become a sweeper. Onyango he goes wide ka right, this Uteruka ka left, and then Nyango become a Ronan become a sweeper. He's more of a player, goalkeeper. I love what they do. It's more of money 11 bona by 12 ngoRonan ngoba ukwazi ukuphasa is good passer. Vision yakhe goalkeeper awareness goalkeeper it's surprising. So iSundowns angeke uzipress too high because of Ronwen at the back and another two ngiyambona improve Onyango naye. I'm not too sure ukuthi going forward he can play consistently like that or igame yanamhla kuphela, but today badlale kamnandi ngikhuluma ngete back. I love Mbule mele umkwena mele ngishaye isandla bengimdawuthela mfana. I know one of the best talent as well. Yeah, yazi ibhola le yankhuleko cause bekalinka ufike lapho ofitha like a glove. Cause yes, you understand uJali is something else. Ngeke umbali uJali kulabafana bonke, but when this boy is there ngikhuluma ngo-cavity stance, when he receives the ball you have to lose the ball lapha kune traffic kuleko ulinka imove ye-Sundowns iqala uye lama 30-meter pass, forward pass, he had to play sideways. And uSundowns uhlala kunama option namhlanje into mawebheka iSundowns belithi ibhola malifika kuye boDerube balifaka kuye makalisusa. I love what he was doing Mahema and Mkhulisi. Sundowns they play beautiful, especially second half, but too many touches on the box. They supposed to they never created so many chances. But ngikhuluma first half. Yes, umuntu olthanda ibhola le patient, but sometimes have a shot at target. Ibana ma shot. Why second half Mshishi had to take a shot? Sakapla Mbule he had to take a shot. It tells you ukuthi babe nonyazo. So first half they played very beautiful ngama department, and I love ukuthi they didn't go sideways. They go more direct lama pocket wakwazi ukubasebenzisa and wabasebenzela they got a goal. For me goal labo yesika i2 omunye beyangayijudge offside omunye not. Second half mistake by Mshishi. I think aborula the first 20 minutes uboni ukuthi Sekhukhune abantu abayi3 kuSundowns bamakho umuntu one, and then wapusha ama full back. Today I was surprised first half full back aka right ihambe neyaka left ihambe umdibe bese lengaphi crosselele ngale. That was first half. I think second half uKhwaithano naye kumnqedile ukuthi ahlale nyana ukuthi DStv Premiership coaches or somebody what end of ibheka man labantu bahamba boyithiwa mawibheka because Mshishi makadlala le bhola. It was 4 against 3. And when why was he going there? Stay, you central. Stay there. Yamanang timing. And then they play good technique from Mntambo. Yeah. Yes, ball.
First half.
Ni into second half uhlambulukile. And what he did the coach by bringing Musia on the right forward midfield up front. He let us spark cause he began exposed at among people Sundowns. Uthema kabona ukuthi hamba with you. He brought the boy. Bekaba late every day umdiba. That's why they had to put like because baby lo mfana lo bekeza ngapha Nkuleko, and truly speaking uke waphuma futhi he had the shot goalkeeper libamba uronweni lahlala la ba kunguthi ube bachita ngapha bekulitswalo kuye lo mfana ngapha Musiya Mabasa, not much as Mabasa cause they're very smart here bekavele nje mabampasa ibhola intercept the ball, but makufaka lo mfana kuyekaba nenkinga because of amawingback weSundowns ambe wethu imistake Mshishi le yenzile iyabakhosta cause amawingback wethu besohambile, and Sekhukhune mawungachecka develop effort yabo sekunough lot of agency from their players bonke umuntu bekaspana Nkuleko ngathi khona inye exercise le ukuthi if I see somebody choke ubamba malebe yeah, everybody from ngikhuluma ibhola malap front, they were pressing Sundowns so high. It's very difficult to press Sundowns so high. But today these guys, they make it very difficult because second half Sundowns not much on the ball. We ask good mama people something can happen can surprise you, but Sekhukhune by press Sundowns. Also these three up front, they make it very difficult for Labanta by Sundowns at the back. So good game, Joba ngisho second half, first half nyeni Sundowns. And another thing, Mshishi in competition. Mbule is gonna be his competition. Once the boy can ayinkuleko pheka lama 10 lapha effortless mfethu. Yabona mawuphiwe kufuneka ukuthi uzuguke ipali igatsha elikhulu. The boys given my brother pheka, I mean the game intensity high. Makangena la nama 10 zawashaya pheka le short target lapha. I mean Sundowns le akusukuthi uvele wabreaker uyambona bambeke ebenchini la bekasuka khona bekahlala regular. He was a star player number 10. Psychologically it takes a real man to come back bamfake ngegame soba khipheni Mshishi. Une competition, I can tell you, watch the space. Ayazi ibhola le Nkuleko ubheke nale bhola likhiphela uShalulile. Ezinto ezincane Nkuleko zikutshela inye into ikeni ibhola lamjita and yeah, and in fact, is very wizard here when you talk about the offensive player. And guye khona ne-agents Mshishi unayo competition now. Yabona la mfana the way namhlanje ngene, if you understand the football the game, ubheke lo mfana into azenzile nje today ngesikhashanyana esincane ngale 8 minutes angenile, you can tell ukuthi Mshishi le role ka number 10 amateam abazoba nenkinga. So compliment to the boy Mbule, keep it up. Mshishi is a good player for Sundowns, but I competition unayo my. So the game mina Nkuleko it deserves the draw. I need to be honest, yes.
Absolutely. Just one more before I let you go. I'm looking at the Sekhukhune. We saw them last season. They started really well. I think by this time last season they were in the top 3. In the first 10 matches they were in the top 3 last season. What do you see? Can you smell anything from them? Maybe it's a stable team that can get top 8. Shape yabo, even a combination year technical team. McDonald Mukubedu, a head coach Linda Mntambo. There's also Themba Zwane as well there. Like the personnel, the experience. What can you predict for them this season?
Credit to Jonas. I'm the chairman, very tight, very tight.
Now your phone number, okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure around the office in yeah, he's a brother of mine, a good friend. I love that. Whether Spanda, if she loves you, he helps everybody. Yeah. Credit to sign some of my players, Mntambo, and couple of players. They've got players that I think this year they can compete. But now, meaning on coaching, yeah, okay, philosophy is not the same. Ukaitano umuntu odlala sort of speed ngama second ball. Themba Zwane umuntu philosophy fana nabo udlala ngama department. Makulubedu, not much of knowing him. Now he's a brother of mine, but I need to tell the truth. He player case more of agaga graduate for me with iDiskiTV Premiership agaga ngibonisa ukuthi uphethe eyiphinhlo, but mangikhuluma ngoKhaitano ngikhuluma nangayisino ngizokhuluma match ngaye. Okay, umakulubedu nasombala team yakhe was scrappy because simbonile ba coach lapha last year bani Owen. There was one time we coach umakulubedu usinongu number 2. Yeah. So philosophy yakhe is more scrappy. I need to be honest. Ukaitano udlala ngama second ball nge-speed, depends unomunye umuntu naye onokudependa kuma set pieces, but usinongo umuntu odlala ngama principles. Under 20 I remember ngimbukela under 20 principles. Ene kufana noma ngabukela ama drills wakhe ashay training. Usinongo you can tell ukuthi umuntu ofuna sidlala ibhola. Ama small sided lawa ubuild confident, the player technique, passing drills ashaw. So philosophy yama coach ayitrefa. Yes, there's even if you sign good players, obvious somewhere kuzoba ne-depation ngoba uKaitano bazomsignela technically you ngithi credit to Jonas. The question is going to check out the best out of those players. Just kuphendula just Semareze first for me. The way baqala ngaso team akuzoba nzima ngikhuleka yabona.
Nzima insofar as relegation, or can there be a stable PSL team?
No, uku-relegation this year obvious kuzoba khona that improvement, but ku-top 8 abangahlala la ku-10 mfethu.
Team number 10. Sometimes they go there on a Wednesday and drink coffee.
No, I know is a brother. Ingwenye bengithanda ngisadlala ku-cheese le yabona. Namanje ne-frostan to ispansethu. So I would mara nyamhlonipha, but what I love now mangambona, he helps people the guy, the family, even the elder brother Malach. I love ngaphandle kwa junior kuphela, even nami I know he helps so many people, that guy. Yeah.
There you go. Then that's Sekhukhune. I agree with Utso. I agree with Junior. This game was very exciting. It deserves the 1-1. I don't know if I've seen in a long time a match where people go and improve at halftime and then they come back different. And then they get the result that they need. And you could see Uguti by the 70th minute, 75th minute, they put in Denwin Farmer for Utsahofa Samabasa to show Uguti Bona they were happy with the draw because they got what they needed in the second half. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.